All right, here we have it. We have a Dodge Ram truck right here. We took the mats out, so that's fine. We're gonna clean him, shampoo him, and inside of the doors. Same thing on this side. Pretty dirty. Dash all dusty. See that? Dirt, all that dust. Yeah, front. And then the exterior, it's ceramic coated, so it's gonna help us out, wash it easily. It's not that dirty, but we're good to go. Yeah, let's get started on this big bad boy. Oh yeah, 30. You can see the front one. See it in the front. You can see it in the camera. Yep, I'm gonna foam it up. So before we start, we use a air compressor, so that kind of removes all that loose dirt and debris from the corners. Those we're not like reaching for minutes. Most of that dust will be gone. Yep. So the best thing is when you push things from the bottom, everything comes up here. Yeah, everything comes out here. Those are the hard to reach areas. So look at that. And you can either compress it back out from that side, or this side throw it back out, or you can just vacuum it up here and then do the compressor again, so you don't push all that dirt back up there again. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Check out these wheels. They look clean, but once you spray on there, they look dirty. So that brake dust, you can't really see much of it. That's the problem with brake dust. You don't see it until you spray it on there. And the wheels are ceramic coated. You can see it beading. So they're ceramic coated. Got a little bit of brake dust on the front left side. The right side was a little dirty, and the rear was really dirty. This one seems like yeah, minimal, yeah, not bad. But yeah, foam it up, bro, foam it up. I don't want to bore anybody watching a 5-minute video on wheels. There you go. Yeah, we'll scrub that thing down and rinse it off. Nice. Foaming part. Let's go around real quick. Nice. Yeah, I think it's foamed up. Alright, the Ram is done. What y'all think? Oh yeah, clean. Let's check out the inside. Comment below what you guys think. We treated the leather for the client too, because he's super nice. The client was very nice to us, so treated him with a little bit of a leather treatment on the inside. Did a whole package, so I might as well add that treatment for him. But yeah, what you guys think, fam? The back side, doors, and then passenger side, doors done. This is like brand new again. If he were to sell this, he can sell this thing. That's how clean it is now. Look at that. Remember this? How dirty this was? Yeah. Smells fresh inside. The glass's fingerprints all gone, nice and glossy. Let's check out the driver's side, fam. This is how I close the windows. If you're a detailer as well yourself, I literally just pull this, move out the way, close it this way. I don't have fingerprints on the side that most of the people forget. So check it out. Shined up, looking good. Oh yeah. Get the driver's side. Nice and clean, right? Alright fam, that's it. Make sure you subscribe, hit the like button for the video. If you guys are interested in detailing products, links in the description of the video. And peace out till next time, fam. Appreciate the support.